In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Ads support using email, live chat, or a phone call. If you're having issues with your Google Ads account or just need some assistance, knowing how to reach their support team can save you a lot of time and frustration. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get the help you need efficiently. First, you'll want to log into your Google Ads account. Once you've done that, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, also known as the overview page. This is where all your campaigns and ad performance data are displayed. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted, as this is where many of the controls and features are located. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a help icon, which often appears as a question mark or simply labeled as help. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to multiple support resources provided by Google to assist you with any inquiries or problems you might be experiencing with your ads. Upon clicking, you'll be presented with a range of support options, including articles and FAQs. However, for direct assistance, look for the Contact Us link. This will be prominently displayed as one of the options, inviting you to reach out for personalized help. Clicking this link will initiate the process where you can choose your preferred method of communication with the support team. Once you click on Contact Us, Google will guide you through a series of prompts designed to define your issue more accurately. This step is crucial as it helps streamline your support experience by directing you to the most relevant resources or specialists who can resolve your query efficiently. As you go through these prompts, you'll eventually arrive at the selection for how you'd like to connect with support. Here, you'll have the option to choose between connecting via email, initiating a live chat, or calling directly. Each method has its benefits. Live chat is typically quick with real-time assistance. Email allows for detailed descriptions and attachments of your issues. And phone calls can provide immediate responses. While selecting your preferred method, consider the complexity and urgency of your query. For instance, if your situation requires immediate attention, a phone call might be best. Conversely, if you have multiple details to provide or examples to share, email might suit your needs better. And there you have it, simple steps to access Google Ads support. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to receiving the help you need in the most convenient way possible. Hopefully this guide has made the process clearer and less daunting. Don't hesitate to reach out to Google Ads support whenever you need, as they're there to help ensure your campaigns run smoothly. Thanks for watching and good luck with your Google Ads journey.